So, you might be wondering, why am I making this video? So basically, I set a goal in the middle of the stream that if I hit 1,150 subs by the end of the stream, I will eat a jam sandwich. And guess what? We did reach it, as you can see. Boom. It kind of looks scuffed, but you know. The only thing that's not really jam though is that I don't really have any jam. So jam.
Jam jam jam
Jam jam, jam jam, jam jam,
jam jam
jam
jam
jam,
jam jam
jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam jam
jam jam jam
jam jam.
Jam. Right, hello, this is Chef-tastic, and today we are going to make a classic jam sandwich. So the ingredients you need is jam and Danish, just bread, just bread. So, right, so the first step is to get two. Why is it so bright? Get 2 slices of bread. Get a knife. After that, we need to open up the jam and then scoop your knife over the jam. Just get a chunk of it. That should be good. And then you spread the jam. Now once you're done with the first slice of bread, you want to do it with the second slice. Now I've done with 2 slices, as you can see on the camera right now. Finally, this is the last step. Not really the last step, but so now you flip the bread over the top of the bottom. You know what I mean? And boom, there's your jam sandwich. Put it on a plate, and boom, there you go. Right, the moment of truth. Very good. That was the best jam sandwich I've ever tasted. Is it over? Have I killed the meme? I've got some tea if you're wondering, so